Naturopathic doctor Dr. Jacqui Fleury is in with Healthy Living and has more on the importance of gut health in relation to edible beauty and supplements. Good morning, Jacqui.
Good morning.
And a really fun topic and relatable to many. We have some examples this morning and talking more about nourishing your skin from within. What does this mean?
Well, oftentimes we'll see symptoms on our skin. Either we'll have acne or eczema or psoriasis or really dry skin, and we tend to want to address that from the outside in. We want to rub something on our skin or help something in terms of the inflammation or the redness or the dryness. But really what we want to focus on foremost is the health of the skin from the inside out. So the skin is often a reflection of what's going on inside the body, and more specifically inside the gut. So the foods that we eat, as well as the water that we drink, but also there's ways that we can take care of our skin more therapeutically without necessarily focusing on the topicals first. The topicals are important, but they're going to work that much better if you've got a healthy digestive tract and a healthy amount of antioxidants in your system.
Okay, so working from the inside to start off, what are some key components then of edible beauty and some of the supplements we have today?
So everything that we take orally, everything we eat, or every supplement that we take needs to be absorbed. So we need to be able to digest, we need to be able to absorb, and then we need to be able to eliminate effectively. So oftentimes our digestive tract gets a little out of balance, or I always say your gut is a garden, so sometimes it gets a little bit weedy. So we need to address inflammation and what we call a dysbiosis in the gut, because that will contribute to symptoms like acne, things like eczema, or it can look like allergies. So we really want to address the cleansing aspect of your gut. So that's where using fibers and probiotics can be really helpful. And once you have your digestive tract feeling better, that's a really good time to bump up your antioxidant support, which of course you can get from your diet with colorful fruits and vegetables, but sometimes it helps to go a little bit higher dose with things like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, Zinc, Selenium. Those are really helpful nutrients for your skin. And then often we want to bump up our B vitamins because we may be on medications that increase your body's requirements for Bs. Even something like the birth control pill, which women may be using because they have acne, that's going to increase the requirements for B vitamins. So it's a little bit of the chicken and the egg. Do they have acne because they're deficient in certain nutrients, or are they now deficient in those nutrients because they've been taking medications to help with their acne? And then we can't have a conversation about skin health without talking about omega-3 fatty acids. So those are essential fatty acids. They're essential because you need to get them from your diet. Your body won't produce them.
And some great supplements here, just some examples this morning. But what do we need to consider before trying edible beauty and products and some of these supplements?
Well, you for sure want to make sure that you are digesting and absorbing. So if you have digestive symptoms, it's really important to address those first, because you really won't get the best benefits from your supplements or even from medications for that matter. And also the quality of the vitamins. So having those vitamins in their most absorbable form often is connected with what you pay for the product. So oftentimes you get what you pay for. So making sure it's in a high quality absorbable form, and then just making sure that there's good evidence to be taking what you're taking.
Okay, some great examples this morning. More on the importance of gut health in relation to edible beauty and supplements. Dr. Fleury, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.